Thank you, guys. Thanks, guys. Then, looking back, I remember how my knees were shaking when I first entered the school as your student. It was a roller coaster emotion. All happened in less than 10 minutes. As I was entering the school, seeing new faces, cute faces, as you say. I was praying to God for guidance and that I may sustain the love in my heart and the purpose why am I in this school. And of course, welcome Dominic Robawa. And of course, my poems. In my mind, I was already picturing a jungle as my colleague would always warn me about EAC, especially about your batch. But I was excited. Despite all the tension in my heart that time, I was so excited to see you all. Then, as I am on board, little by little I'm getting to know, and not to mention, judge each one of you. But Carlene, you always have that blank face in me, but I know for a fact that you are smart and probably a personality. Jovelyn, when you stare, I know there are questions and things that you would like to know, and that's actually good. Asking question means you're interested, so I want you to go ahead and ask, and you will learn. Christian, I would always remember your baby face, but behind that, I know you will become a good man. Okay, Kyle Dominic. Kyle Dominic, I know, thank you that somehow you let me speak to you about your family. With what I learned, and with that, I've learned how much you love them. But for now, all you can do is to continue being responsible for yourself. Soon, and you can speak to them also. Isaiah, despite your silence, you're becoming a man now. Despite your less problem, just more love. Alira, I would always remember as the lady who would always carelessly sing just to express herself. And yeah, I do love it. I wish I have that one. I wish I have that voice. But don't worry. I already have the confidence, but I don't have the voice. Okay, Eunice, I admire your determination to be in school, even though you're not wearing your socks. It is not easy to travel that far, and then tragedy happened. It is great to still see you pursuing. Ariane, thank you for reminding me how I was before as a student. You're actually the first student to put me in a situation to make me reflect and understand what you students like. Christine, you're a great person. I see that, but sometimes you have to be firm for yourself and for your values. Lovely, you're beautiful. As simple as you are. You just have to be more confident, discover your asset, and who knows, you might be the next top model. But aside from that, you have to widen your knowledge. With that, you can be more beautiful and confident. Bye. With a heart, yes. Bye. I will always admire your grace and how you carry yourself and believe, but still perfectly feel and be friends with the people around you. Roger. I remember last year how hard was it for you to even finish a sentence. But now, seeing you progress, you have improved so much.
Appreciate that.
You are all proud with that. See how Miss Beth congratulated you earlier. Joshua, I will ask Joshua. You know, you'll always be remembered by you being so frank and open about your emotions. You tend to hurt others with your words, but I know your guts to say things will bring you a long, long way. Get ready. Gian, I always see you as the lady boss. Your words really make other people follow. Continue that and enhance that gift. Continue. Hi, Paolo. You're sweet, but oftentimes you are wanting a lot of things that distract you. Observe, see, and discover what you want, and you will get it. Begin. Begin. You're intelligent, but sometimes you have to decide to show up and speak up, and let others be inspired with you. Abigail, I know how much you do want to serve the Lord. Continue. Now that you can speak in a group, I'm sure that you can speak to hundreds of people to share the love of God. Nathaniel, I believe, like how I believe in Apex and in your batch. I believe in you. Don't stop trying, no matter how many it takes. Would be hard.
Lalo na nasa commercial base.
Because also we see, no matter what happens to the people around you, I want you to always choose to be happy and smile all the time. Pauline, you're blessed to have parents who would always look after you after your welfare. Continue to treasure them. You are loved always, you know that. Speak up. I know with the love and the guidance from the people around you, soon you can guide, lead, and inspire other people. Christelle, you are a lady now, and also
nakasama din siya.
responsible you
Dominic,
are
tingin ka.
as a sister. But I know that you have to take care of yourself also. Be a lady, seek property. John Paul. In life, as you know, sometimes people that we love tend to be away from us. And so, all the more that you have to be more responsible in taking care of them. For them.
May area na siya, miss.
For them. Oo nga. And kaya nga you take care of yourself. And for your own good as well. Staying away doesn't mean that loving stops. Kung wala nang ibang tinutukoy, yung mommy niya yung tinutukoy ko. Your personality always makes you stand out. Believe and I know that someday you can lead. Levy.
Magkasunod
You see
ka lang.
life, walang ibig sabihin. Levy, you see life is good. You have to see other people and discover yourself more through them. Be a better man. Hannah. Huwag masyadong ma-inlove kay Mr. Heron. Kasi may nagsiselos. In life, there are things Hannah, there are things in life that should be left just for you. Wait. Hannah, in life, there are things that should be left just for you. It is great to be generous with your words and with your love, but it is wise to sometimes leave some secret and mystery for yourself, and let others discover it on their own. Nathan, I admire your humility, your family raised you well, and how to deal with the reality and let you live outside your
Christian.
It is not easy, but you manage to be humble, loving, and understanding. As simple as you are, no, Bea, as simple as you are, you're beautiful. But your mom is right when she said that you have to keep it simple. You're still young, so don't rush things.
Don't rush there.
Rio, thank you for giving me a chance to bring you face to face with your sister. Smile, life is beautiful. You're a good sister, love them more. Jerlene, I can't wait to see you on TV dancing and cheering for your team. Keep on practicing and do not quit. Okay, Kylie, you're a good person and a friend to your classmates. They love you and they would always be sad if you will not take care of your own health. Go! Kain tayo din tayo. Kain tayo. Go!
Dominic!
Keep on pushing. Go! Keep on pushing.
Push na naman.
Please, wag yun. You're a person who is very respectful despite everything. Keep that good heart. Huwag kang umiyak. Please. Keep that heart in you. Paul. Wala si Paul. You will always make it to the finals. Just know when to play the ball and shoot it. Believe in yourself and you can do 3 points. I am saying this apart from the concept of basketball. You know. And lastly, friends. Love and respect and dream and keep grounded. Remember that you have everything in you, but you just have to love and respect. Start gripping and stay grounded. Individually, I know you will all come a long, long way. Your journey has started now. It will continue every day whether you want it or not. Whether you are prepared or not. Whether you've had enough sleep or not. Continue, do not stop working and believing. Continue to improve, continue to pray. Go through every step. No rush. Just enjoy. And you'll see. Ay, agawik And you'll see, you're on top. Inspiring others, helping others, believing in others. And when you are on top, always remember to stay grounded. I am excited to see you one day in this field and probably be telling me of what you have become. Ngayon pa lang guys, you all make me proud. Congratulations, my dear first batch. You will always be noisily dear in my heart. And I love you all. Thank you for all the lessons that you have taught me as a person, as a school head. Thank you for all the patience that I've learned to practice with you. I am what I am right now because of you. So God bless all of you. Thank you very much. Congratulations.